Tired of staring at charts all day? Let's automate your trading edge by creating custom notifiers in Tradingview, so you never miss a critical move. First, navigate to the Tradingview chart of the asset you want to monitor. This could be stocks, crypto, forex, really anything. Look for the alert icon on the right-hand toolbar. It looks like a bell. Click on it to open the alert creation window. Now, let's set up your alert under condition. Choose the specific trigger. This can be anything from crossing a price level to a specific indicator value, or even a custom study you've written. Next, define the value that will trigger the alert. For example, if you chose crossing, enter the price you want to be notified about. Under Options, choose how frequently you want to be notified. Once per bar close is a good default, but explore other options like once or every time, depending on your needs. Under Notifications, decide how you want to be alerted. Tradingview offers pop-up alerts, email, app notifications, and even webhook integration for more advanced setups. Customize your message so you know exactly why you're being alerted. This helps you quickly assess the situation without having to immediately jump to the chart. Finally, click Create. Your alert is now active. You can manage and edit all your alerts from the alert panel at the bottom of the screen. Now you can relax and let Tradingview do the watching for you.